But Honorable Speaker, I would like to call upon us as this House. I am very keen to hear ideas, and better ideas for that matter, that can help this country be able to achieve its target in terms of tax collection. And it is true, we have to face the reality that there is a challenge and the cost of living is high. But it is not right for opposition members to come out and try to show like this country is closing down. We have a government that is in place and that has strategy to ensure that we get somewhere. This problem has accumulated for a number of years, and many of the speakers have said that. But I am happy to hear His Excellency the President calling it like it is. Many people would like to be lied to, that things are better. But it is true that we need to tighten our belts. And Honorable Speaker, I would like the opposition to lead by example. Let them even form what we call shadow cabinet ministers, so that we can have them having good ideas that are better than ours.
Order, members. Member from Thiwa, what is your point of order?